I'm taking on the challenge to start an AI side hustle with absolutely no money in 2024. Let's see if I can make it happen. Starting an AI side hustle with little to no investment may seem like a far-fetched idea, but trust me, it's not only possible but also incredibly rewarding. With the rise of artificial intelligence, there are countless opportunities waiting to be seized, and I'm excited to share with you how to tap into this lucrative market without breaking the bank. Do you enjoy my content? Then like that video. One of the biggest misconceptions about starting a side hustle is that it requires a significant financial investment. Many people believe that they need thousands of dollars to get started, but that's simply not true. You don't need to be a millionaire to launch a successful side hustle. What you do need, however, is a willingness to learn, adapt, and take action. Another common misconception is that you need to be an AI expert to start an AI side hustle. While having some knowledge of AI can be helpful, it's not a prerequisite. With the abundance of free resources available online, you can learn as you go and still achieve remarkable results. Many people also think that starting a side hustle requires a fancy degree or certification. But let's be real, some of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world are self-taught. What matters most is your drive, determination, and ability to solve real-world problems. People often underestimate the power of free or low-cost resources. There are so many amazing tools and platforms out there that can help you launch your AI side hustle without spending a dime. From language models like ChatGenesis to design tools like Canva, the possibilities are endless. Feel free and follow me. One of my favorite free resources is Google Colab. It's a cloud-based platform that allows you to build and deploy AI models without any upfront costs. There are also plenty of online courses and tutorials that can teach you the basics of AI development in no time. Let's also not forget about the array of AI-powered tools that can help you automate repetitive tasks, generate content, and even create stunning visuals. The key is to find the right tools that align with your goals and interests. I'd like to share a story with you about someone who started an AI side hustle with no money and achieved remarkable success. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, wanted to monetize her passion for writing. She started using free AI writing tools to generate content and soon landed her first client. Within a few months, she was earning a steady income and had built a loyal following online. Sarah's success wasn't solely due to her writing skills. It was also because she took action and persisted despite the obstacles. She learned how to use AI tools to streamline her workflow, and that's what set her apart from others. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that anyone can start an AI side hustle with no money. It's not about being an expert, it's about being willing to learn and adapt. To summarize, starting an AI side hustle with no money is entirely possible. It requires creativity, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. Don't let misconceptions hold you back from pursuing your passion. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI side hustles in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI and its applications, be sure to check out my other video on related topics.